everyone, my name is Zhi Jia. I am 8 years old. I am a robotics student from GIT Robotics Learning Center in Sri Petaling. Today I am excited to show you my level 1 robot project with all of you. This is my vehicle robot. It is an aeroplane. I designed this robot using the Robotics Dream 2 level 1 kit. This robot has a geared motor, a switch, and a lithium battery, and many colorful parts. I transform my robot into a plane with a big pair of wings and 4 wheels. This is a windscreen at the front and an airfoil at the back. I also added chains of fire at the back of the engine. My aeroplane robot is an air transportation robot. It can help to transport people to travel around the world. It can move by wheels connected to the motor. It moves forward and backward by turning the switch. Let me show you how it works. I learned to draw my robotics project idea and build the robot. I made sure that it was balanced in the design. In the future, I hope I can make a bigger one and use a remote control to play with it. Thank you.